The beauty of this world is a gift, and we live to discover it. Some places take us back in time and remind us that beauty is eternal. Being in Cappadocia felt like being in a fairy tale. This place is surreal, and to be there felt like being awake in a dream. And then there are those moments where you just lay back, smile, look up into the trees and wish you could stop time for a while. Often we can find beauty in the simple life and basically everywhere. In friendship, in those silent sunsets, and even in loneliness. Every single day you make a choice. You can choose how to view the world around you.
I would be long gone by now.
Nature's pretty amazing and fascinating. We are really lucky to live in a world that is full of incredible places, and in Turkey there are thousands of natural wonders to explore. The beauty of nature can't be described with words, and even though we try to create our own world, the real beauty is right in front of us. And me, I try to capture it wherever I go.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my way tonight?